Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a VW Passat CC here. Just doing a headlight bulb on this. Before I do anything, I'm going to show you which one's out. There we go, lights on. Now that's the one. You can see the passenger side working, the driver side isn't. To replace it, quite a normal procedure. On the back here, you've got this cover. Can you switch the lights off, please? On the cover, on the back there, you've got the cover, and then you've got this little plug here. Now the plug, you twist it to your right. Twist it to your left, like this, and then pull the whole thing out. The whole bulb comes out. Now there's only one way the bulb would go in. If you look at the bulb on here, you've got a little lug, right? That's the bulb, H7 bulb we're using. So I'll show you on the bulb as well. Always remember to hold the bulb from the back side, so not from the front. Now that's the little lug there. So on here, you've got the same thing as well. So there's only one way the bulb can be fitted. So make sure you don't drop the plug whatever you do. So that's how I took it out. That's the bulb shape. Put the bulb in. That's it. Plug in. Oopsie daisy. That's all plugged in now, as you can see. Now the only way to do it is you got these little clips. So just the way you took it out, you slot it in through the hole. Maybe basically your fingers or your eyes now. So once you slot it in, and then that's it. So if you look in there now, so the bulb holder's all in. As you see, it's nice and tight, nice and secured. If you come round, I'll show you. Now that's the bulb inside as well, so that's good. We're just going to check it now. If you switch the lights on again, please. There we go. Both of them are working. That's all you got to do on your one as well. If you ever wanted to do the 501 bulb, which is in there, and the 4 beams in there, yeah. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.